To enable clients to respond quickly to situations that need attention, you must configure a VMS to detect problems and then send emails and text messages to the proper resources. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create an alarm based on motion detection. Our first step is to set up device input. First, we'll expand Devices, then click Input. Now, we'll right-click Input and click Add Device Group. We click in the Name input field to enter a name, then click OK. After right-clicking on the group we've just created, we click Edit Device Group Members. Click on the Recording Servers tab, expand the Luna 9 node, and click Parking 05, Input 1. Next, click Add. We just added a hardware input, and we click OK to save the changes. Now, let's expand the Alarms node. We'll right-click on Alarm Definitions and click Add New. First, we'll name the alarm. Click in the Name input field. Next, we'll give it a trigger. Click the Triggering Event drop-down list. Choose System Events from the list. Click the drop-down list below System Events. We'll choose Motion Detected from the list. In the Trigger section, we click Select to choose a source. In the Groups tab, expand the Luna 9 server node. Now, we'll expand the PTZ group and click Parking 03. Click Add. And click OK. In the Activation Period section, let's click the Always drop-down list. The parking lot is busy during the day, so we don't need to be alerted to expected movement. But at night, we don't expect cars or people, so we want an alarm to be active. Choose Night from the list. In the Other section, click Select to choose a related camera. Expand PTZ under Luna 9. We click Parking 03. Click Add. Click OK. We'll click Yes to save the changes. You just saw how to create an alarm based on motion detection. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.